Hello everyone, today I want to talk about rational expressions. Basically, the main idea is, so minus 10, 21, divided by 15, 20, 28. So basically, rational expressions is basically like questions, like fractional questions, blah, 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 which we're going to solve with you together. So, first of all, we have to change all the thing here to times thing. So, minus 10, 21 times 28, 15. Now we're able to, like, what's it called? Simplify, basically. So, minus 2, like, let's do how much 5s, yeah. And then times 3. And we're also able to do, for this one, 7s. So, how much 7s are? 21? Oh, 3. Over here, 4. And so after that, 8, 9. So this is the final answer. After that, let's say we have something like 5x. What? Did someone message me? No. 3 minus 3 times 6. So let's say this is one of the questions that we have, right? So we can make the numbers. So look, these stuff, they're together, but they're kind of separate. Think of it as that way. First of all, let's do the numbers 1 and 2, because we did how much 5s, blah, blah, blah. Now this, basically we can do, you can get rid of the square, like, how can I explain? You are able to get rid of the x's, but in the way as if, like, let's say you get rid of, like, so look, here, there are 2 x's, right? Over here, 3. So we can get rid of this, and so rid of this, so there'll be only 1 x left. So x, and then for this we can do minus 1, minus 2, because we just did how much 3s. So the final answer will look like this, and then we can get rid of this, and the answer will be literally just x. So yeah. After that, let's say we have something like this. So first we're gonna change it to, you know what? So let's do the numbers first. 4 and then 1, which doesn't even have to write it down. Then take away the t, take away this, so only t left. Over here 1 times 3, 1. That was a load. So after that we basically get 12t over 1, which is just 12t. And then after that we have a kind of harder one. Okay, so in this case, what we're able to do is first of all do this. So we will like flip it to make the 1 positive, but because it's only a 1, it doesn't matter, so we can just write like this. And now we're able to like take away this stuff. So also a very important thing, so we can take away this, like this x, like it doesn't quite matter, like as long as it's in kind of from top to bottom or bottom to top, it doesn't matter. So, however, I'm just going to make it easier for myself. So, we're going to get rid of the y from this, from here. And then we're going to get rid of the x here and the x here. And then we're going to get rid of the 2 here and just make this a 2. and then we have a 2 here, and we have a 6 here. So we're just gonna do this a 1, and then this a 3. So after all that, we have this left times y over 1. Oh, oh wait. And so after that, what we have is basically 3xy over x, because 1 times x times 1x is just x. This simplifies it, so 3y is the final answer. After all that, let's do a harder one. So x brackets x minus 1 . So look, right now what's the thing is that, how can I explain? So basically, look, we can take away this and take away this. After that, we can take away this and take away this. So we're left with x over x2, and then times by 1 over x minus 1. So yeah, so x, then x squared minus 2, this simplifies it, so 1. Oh no, I don't think that's, you can do it this way. Okay, no, yeah, I was wrong. Basically, the final answer is this. You can't actually do something with these stuff. You can, this is how it's left. Because it's brackets, and yeah, even though they do probably times, but I guess not. So, oh wait, why am I trying to delete it? Okay, so next, so we have 4u2 minus 1 over u2 minus 4 times u minus 2 2u minus 1. So look, you might think, oh, we can take away the u's and all that stuff, so we can take away like the 2. Not right now. Why? Because basically they are like, yes, last time when I said, like, basically they are actually equations, so you can't do anything with equations because it's a minus, like this type of stuff, it's an equation. It's a bit different. I know it's confusing, but that's the way it is. So instead we have to use our brain and like try to switch stuff. So for example, we can make what's it called, we can make the square differences stuff. So basically we can make, so let me show you. So this is the same as 2u squared, 2u squared squared. Oh wait, let me think if I'm doing this right. So yeah, and then have the 1 with a square, which doesn't change much, but we need it, trust. And then we can make this u2 u squared, leave it like that, and then make the 4 2 squared, I mean, look, we don't really need this here because when you open the confusing thing is in the question, we don't know if it's this term that's squared, all of this together, or is it only the u. But when you open this, it's going to look the same. So yeah, let's just keep it without the 2 over there. I guess you can say that we moved it here, I guess. And then times u minus 2, 2u minus 1. And after all that, look, we can take away this. And then we can take away the 1. Oh no, sorry. So now we have to do the difference in brackets. So let's go. So 2u plus 1, 2u minus 1, u plus 2, u minus 2, times u minus 2u minus 1. So now look, these exactly the same, we can take them away. These exactly the same, we can take them away. And basically what we have as a final answer is going to be just these two. This is the final answer without the brackets. So that's all, thank you.